Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy birthday, mami namin maganda.
Yan, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone.
Ayan, ako nga po pala si Sisi, ang batang paladesisyon ng anak ni Missy at ni Popoy.
Siyempre, I'm Aphrodite, aka Maldita lamang yan.
Ayan, Mami, happy birthday to you. Siyempre, nandito lang kami lagi ni Aphrodite na nagmamahal sa'yo. Pasensyahan mo na kung ano man ang nangyayari ngayon sa atin. Siyempre, masyado lang talaga tayong busy. Pagpasensyahan mo na ang mga anak mo. Pero, even though na ganun man ang nangyayari is, nandito lang kami palagi para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Siyempre, mula kay Z, kay Bunso, kay Angel, kay Smith, then kay Martin, at siyempre sa aking pinakamahal na beshing kambal, si Aphrodite. Mami, we love you always. Siyempre, ang wish ko lang palagi sa'yo is mag-iingat ka palagi dyan sa work mo. Siyempre, God bless anything what you want to do is lagi lang kaming nandito para sa'yo.
Yeah. Siyempre, mami, no, ako na yung mag-iiwan ng message sa'yo. Ako pala si Maldita, yung anak mong aka Aphrodite. Siyempre, mami, happy birthday to you. God bless you and be good health always. Lagi ingatan yung sarili dyan. Hindi man natin maramdaman ngayon si daddy. I know, mahal naman ka ni daddy. At syempre, nandito lang kami noon ni pala decision na mo yan. Love ka namin always. Kahit ano man mangyari, hindi ka namin iiwan. Syempre, enjoy mo lang yung araw. Huwag kang malungkot dyan. Dapat smile. I love you.
Ayan, Mami, hindi na kami magdadrama kung ano man. Siyempre, lagi naman din tayo nag-uusap. Pero, nandito lang din kami palagi talaga para sa'yo. We love you, Mami. I love you.
I love you. Happy birthday, mommy. Enjoy your day. Blah, 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 blah.
Today is a very special day because today is Mommy's birthday. So why don't we all sing her a little birthday song? It's called Happy Birthday, Mommy. Here we go. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday to you. You get to open up a whole lot of presents and blow out some candles too. Hey, 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 happy birthday, Mommy. Today is your special day. You get to eat all the cake that you can fit in your tummy and hang out with your friends and play. Everybody sing it. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy. Mommy, 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 mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday, birthday. Mommy, happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday to you.
For the ladies, hey girl, you have a perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile.
Hi, kapatid Missy! This is your special day. Happy birthday sa iyo, aking mahal na kapatid. Ingat palagi, okay? Lalo na't malayo tayo sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Love you, kapatid kong maganda. And also, kapatid Popoy and kapatid Missy. Happy second anniversary to both of you. I'm happy sa inyong dalawa. Mag-aaway pero hindi maghihiwalay. Love you both, mga kapatid. Ingat always. Mwah! It's me, your sister, Sharon.
A blessed day, everyone. Sisters are best gifts. Same as true with my extraordinary sister who have been through the journey of her life today and assured as an inspiring. So in behalf of my partner Pedolito, this is your kapatid Jigs extending my heartfelt greetings to aking kapatid Missy on her birthday today. So, happy birthday to you, kapatid kong mahal. And I've seen you turn away challenges, turns into opportunity, and setbacks into a victory. And I am always proud of you, kapatid kong mahal, Missy. So, happy birthday to you once again, and wishing you beautiful as you are, inside and out. So, may God bless you as always, and thank you for being there also for me in times of my difficulties. And same as true, I'm always here for you in times of trials and challenges. Love, kapatid kong mahal, Missy. Happy birthday.
Ikaw ang simula, magpahanggang wakas, di na matapos pa. At sa tuwing ika'y wala, di makikita ang saya. Sinanay mo ang puso kong laging nandito ka. Pag nahihirapan ka, palaging sasamahan ka. Kailanman nasahag, sa'yo lang ang aking naramdaman. Mahal, di dapat mangamba kung minsan ay nahihirap.
Cause I don't got friends, I got family at the end of the